This is one of the new plans for the Bay Star Sport, the 3016. We have the ocean view exterior. You have two other options, and of course we always have the custom option as well. Now let's check out some of the storage on this 3016 floor plan. All right, so now you can see the storage that we have on the passenger side of this 3016. We've got our inverter, our HASS batteries, storage here. If you look up top, we've got a pass-through space here. Nice for those longer items. More storage here. This sits on the Ford chassis with the V8 engine. We've got the Onan 5500 watt generator. More storage with a little bit more pass-through space here on the back. Let's go see what this 3016 looks like on the inside. So the 3016 is a new floor plan for Newmar for the Bay Star this year. So we get a full wall slide with a king bed, midship bath. We have the optional bunk above me here. Check out the new furniture. This is the stow interior. The vinyl plank flooring is standard for 2025. And then we've got the new shaker cabinets with the chiffon uppers. And this is the dusk. That's the other wood color for the lowers. I think it's beautiful. I really love the way this looks. I especially love the light paired with the dark. And the furniture just looks so nice. Again, we can turn around our captain's chairs, take down our bunk. Then we've got the sleeper dinette here, and we've got the 74-inch comfort lounge here that also turns into a bed. Check out the storage above, like nice, big, tall, deep cabinets. Really great. And then as we go into the kitchen, we have the nice little splash guard. Newmar's giving that pretty much anytime your kitchen touches a fabric, or a furniture piece. Great storage here. Microwave. Nice storage there. Place for your garbage. You know that I love that. Check out the full extension drawers. And they're soft close. Nice. Nice big pantry. Again, I love that shaker style door, the dusk, dark, kind of the suede finish. Then we go into our midship bath. We've got the 40 by 30 inch shower, so nice and big shower. I'm gonna step up into that just so you can see how roomy this is. Like lots of room, plenty of height here if you've got tall friends. Then we have the nice solid surface countertop. We're going to have great storage behind the vanity mirror here. More storage there. Look at that lighting. Isn't that panel of all your wiring? It's just so nicely labeled, and love how they've done that. We've got the pedal control toilet and more storage. So really they've packed in the storage here. Again, you're gonna have the 5-inch display screen here, your tank levels, your auto gen start, your HVAC. You can pair your phone to this so that you can have a global access. Anywhere you are, you can access this, which is really nice. Your lights, your fan, and then we move into the master bedroom where I mentioned again, king size bed. Love the big window that you get in the master. Storage overhead. Look at the beautiful balance and headboard. Then we've got our TV. Another nice big wardrobe storage here. And 6 drawers below. And just when you think the storage is over, we've got more storage underneath the bed. We've got the cushion there that will go in between the dinette to make that a bed. So let's think about it. We can put 2 in the sofa, 2 on the dinette, 2 little ones on the bunk, and 2 here. So you could really sleep like 8 people in this coach.